Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup. First, let's prepare the dashi, which is the essential base for any delicious miso soup. You'll need about 4 cups of water, a 4-inch piece of kombu, and 10 grams of katsuobushi. Gently simmer these ingredients for about 10 minutes, then strain the liquid to create your flavorful dashi. This simple step ensures a rich, umami foundation for your soup. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient, miso paste. You can choose white, red, or a mixed variety, depending on your taste preference. Take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso paste and dissolve it thoroughly in a small amount of the warm dashi you just prepared. This prevents clumps. Once dissolved, gently stir this mixture back into the main dashi pot, making sure the heat is off to preserve the miso's delicate flavor. Now let's incorporate some classic additions. Take 1 block of silken tofu and carefully cut it into 1/2-inch cubes. For the wakame seaweed, you'll need about 2 grams of dried wakame. Rehydrate it in warm water for approximately 5 minutes until it softens and expands. Just before you're ready to serve, gently add both the cubed tofu and the rehydrated wakame directly into your warm miso soup. This keeps them fresh and flavorful. Your delicious homemade miso soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into individual bowls and, for a final touch, garnish with some thinly sliced green onions. This adds a lovely fresh aroma and a bit of color. Remember, miso soup is best enjoyed fresh and warm. For other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying features, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's perfect for pet owners.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.